Hello and welcome. I'm so excited because today we're checking into the Disneyland Hotel. This is one of the most iconic Disney hotels with so much history, theming, and of course, all the Disney magic. I'll be giving you a full look around rooms, dining, pools, and everything else you'll want to know if you're planning a stay here. So let's head inside and see what it's all about. We're just here to get checked in and look at this rug. Oh my gosh, it is huge and so pretty with the 70th decorations. Let's head inside and oh my gosh, I can already see this amazing Halloween time mural, I guess, right here in front of me with the flowers. This is gonna be so great. One of my favorite things about the lobby are these cute teacup chairs. Aren't those adorable? It is updated. It is brand new. So cute. There's a little area for your kids to sit and watch a little show while you're checking in. Look how cute these chairs are. I am loving all of this artwork. It's so beautiful. I am staying in the Fantasy Tower, so let's go check out the room. All right, let's check out the room. Oh my gosh, I can already tell the views are amazing. Okay, bathroom first though. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at those lights. And of course it has the H2O, is that what they call it? There's hand soap and body lotion. Oh, a dental kit. Cute. And a shower cap. Very cute. We've got the shower over here. And then there's the toilet right here. Cute artwork. Here in the closet. There's some comfy robes. And let's go check out the rest. This is the 2-queen room. That classic picture of Walt Disney. A dream is a wish your heart makes. I love that. There's the desk. Little hidden Mickey there on the light. Over here we have drawer space. And there's a fridge in there. There's the coffee station and the TV. The chair. Oh, I didn't notice this. Look, a dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. How cute. And the headboard does something amazing. Let me show you. Oh, that's the light. Let's try again. Cute. I love it. Oh, it's even better with the lamp off. That's very cute. Okay, let's look at the view. Oh, wow. I am going to throw my swimming suit on right now. And I'm going to go hang out at that pool. Look, where it says Disneyland right there, there's a monorail water slide back there. I'm going to go down the monorail water slide, 100%. Don't you think I won't? All right, this is gorgeous. All right, I threw my swimming suit on and I am headed to the pool. I'm going to go hang out, go down the water slide, maybe get a drink, poolside. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm excited to spend some time here at this amazing pool. Let me show you how cool it is. It's gorgeous. They have some life jackets, which is awesome. So if your kid needs a life jacket, they provide them. And there's also lifeguards walking around, which I also love. They also give you towels when you come, so you don't have to bring a towel, which is nice. And they have a water station right here. They also have waiters walking around if you want to order food or drinks. There's the water slide. Cute monorail themed water slide. How fun is that? There is lots of seating over here, which is nice, and the cutest little splash pad area with Mickey. Oh my goodness. They have these chairs that you can reserve, or they have lots of seating that is just first come, first serve. There is a pool over here on this side. There's several different pools. All have lifeguards, of course. And then back here is the Palm Breeze restaurant, which also does the poolside service. So they have menus by the pool. I'll show you. If you want to order food or drink, you can, or you can come sit here in the restaurant and eat here as well. Here's the little poolside menu if you want to order food or drinks. Then there's another pool over here and has a little bridge you can go under, and then there's the kind of like flows into the main larger pool. So they have splash pad and the kiddie pool, and they have a little water slide area, and then they have these two main pools over here. So a lot of space to spread out, a lot of room to hang out. This is kind of a quieter area, I feel like, since the kids probably want to be at the splash pad area and not over here at the quieter section. So if you need quiet, this is probably a good place. All right, I'm trying to decide if I should do the monorail slide or not. If I do the slide, that means I have to wash my hair. Is it worth washing my hair to go down the monorail slide? That's the question. All right, here she goes. Monorail orange. The pool was amazing. I did have to wash my hair, but now let's go find something yummy for lunch. All right, we're gonna have lunch at Trader Sam's.
Right in the background.
I do not know what any of these are, but they are going to be delicious. A Schweizerwald. All right, lunch is here. We've got this ginormous salad, poutine fries. This is the poo-poo plata. Here's sweet potato fries. Ooh, this is the coconut cake. I love coconut and I love cake, so I don't know why it wouldn't be amazing. Right next door to Trader Sam's is Tangaroa Terrace. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Trader Sam's only does lunch and dinner, and they have a really fun tropical vibe. This is the coffee house, which is a dining option here when you're staying on property at the Disneyland Hotel. So they have a bunch of coffee, of course, but they also have grab and go items like cereals and fruit and Uncrustables and drinks. Got Mickey pretzels in there, lots of delicious pastries, cakes, salads, things like that. Right next to the coffee house is Goofy's Kitchen, and this is my very favorite character dining experience. Now, you don't have to be staying at the Disneyland Hotel to enjoy Goofy's Kitchen, but it's really close if you happen to be staying there. Now, with Goofy's Kitchen, you get to, of course, meet Goofy. He serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day. Reservations are recommended, but the food is amazing. It's all buffet style, all you can eat, so you are going to get full, I promise, and you get to see a lot of really fun characters. They come to your table and they interact with you. It's just a really fun environment, especially if you have younger kids. I've got a full video all about my experience at Goofy's Kitchen if you want to check it out. And last but not least is Broken Spell Lounge, which is new, and it's kind of this enchanted forest vibe, which is pretty cool. They have the bar, of course, and tons of drinks. They also have appetizers and things like margarita pizza, chicken sandwich, turkey club, cheeseburger, things like that. So you could definitely come here for drinks and have dinner if you want. The property is gorgeous, and there's lots of little walking paths with tons of trees, and it just has this really tropical feeling that I love. And that's a wrap on my stay at the Disneyland Hotel. I hope this helped you get a better idea of what it's like to stay here, whether you're coming for the history or the magic or just the convenience of being so close to the parks. It really is such a special place. But if you're ready to plan your Disneyland vacation, then don't forget to check out Getaway Today using my link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna go hit my comfy bed, turn on my little headboard, and go to sleep. We'll talk soon.